Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're doing my Boxycharm unboxing for January of 2018. So guys, today we're doing my Boxycharm unboxing for January of 2018, and the reason we're not doing a battle of the boxes this month is because I got two glossy charms. Glossy charms? Guys, seriously, I have problems. But we had two glossy boxes this month. I had a little bit of overlap because Glossybox contacted me and asked me if it was okay if they would send me one for free, and I was like, okay, cool, I'll do that. Just so you know, 100% still my honest opinion. I'm not getting paid, I'm just getting a box from Glossybox for free. So I did cancel my subscription with them so that I don't have to pay for it month to month. For some reason I got two this month, so I'm going to open both of those for you guys, and that video will be posted tomorrow. We're going to battle those off against each other and see, you know, if one of them's better than the other. If the one they sent me as PR is like way better than the other one or something like that. We'll see about that. In the next video that I'm posting tomorrow is going to be a little bonus video, but today we're just doing the Boxycharm. And before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you I haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet. And how you can do that is by scrolling down below and clicking that red subscribe button. And also, I have a huge 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, which I know you guys really want to be a part of. There's two grand prize winners with a ton of makeup palettes and stuff like that in them, and then there's going to be a ton of secondary winners as well. So hop on over to that video to learn more about that. I'll have it linked up here in a card and also in the description box down below. That's pretty much it. Let's jump right into this Boxycharm unboxing for January 2018. I have a scissors on my desk because I'm smart and thought ahead. The first thing I see in here is a Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. I actually didn't know Dr. Brandt did primers, so that's very interesting. That's so interesting. I thought they were just skincare, but I'm really interested to see how this primer does. I'm just gonna test it out a little bit here. It does have a bit of that silicone feel. It is kind of like smoothing, if you know what I mean, a little bit pore filling. Feels very similar to the Porefessional, but it has a very Dr. Brandt smell, if you know what I mean. Like it smells like skincare. So I feel like this is a primer that's going to be really good for your skin because it is Dr. Brandt, but it's going to have a similar effect to the Porefessional. It's going to fill in the pores, make everything look smooth, but without clogging them possibly. I really do like Dr. Brandt products, so I am very happy with that. And it's cool that it's a makeup product because usually I'll make an exception with Dr. Brandt and I'll be like, okay, you can give me skincare. That's cool, it's makeup. It counts as makeup this time, you guys. And it says the full price for that is $38. I know that Dr. Brandt is pretty expensive, so it does tend to go for that full price. $38, that's double the cost of the box pretty much right out of the gate here. See guys, this is why I was disappointed a little bit with the Beautylish Lucky Box. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked up here so you can go check it out. But I was a little disappointed with that box, and Boxycharm is 90% of the reason why. Because this one item is already twice the value of the box. Boxycharm has ruined me for all other boxes, you guys. They've ruined me. Come on. Rant over. Let's move on. I'm so weird tonight, you guys. So weird. Okay, next thing I see in here is a Crown Brushes palette. It looks like it says Glam Metals. Oh no, it's broken. So right here, this one is shattered. I can probably fix it, but I will contact Boxycharm and see if they'll do anything for me on that. It looks really pretty. All of these shades are shimmer shades, besides maybe this black shade. So far they feel pretty nice and soft. I'll definitely have to try these out. Ooh, they're really foily. I like them. I like them a lot. So these are something I'll definitely have to try out for you guys in a video, but I am gonna see if maybe Boxycharm will send me a new one because this one is broken. Where did the card go? I threw that somewhere, didn't I? It says the price for this Glam Metals palette is $25. You know, it's a Crown Brushes palette, which is kind of similar to Morphe in quality. You know, $25 might be kind of accurate, but I'd probably price this a little bit more $17-ish. $17-ish feels like a more fair price. I have a Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. The packaging is really nice and solid. It is a hard white plastic that is kind of shiny. Oh, it's also wrapped in shrink wrap. No, it's not even shrink wrapped, you guys. There's legit just a sticker over this section right here, and I am having trouble unwrapping it. Cassie proofing. It doesn't take much. So opening this guy up, we have 3 shades right here. One kind of orange shade, a highlight shade, and a shimmery bronzy shade. These are all really pretty. So the orange shade is definitely kind of eyeshadow quality going on right there. They feel really creamy, definitely really pigmented and really, really creamy. So I'm excited about those. I really don't know how I'm going to use those on my face though. We'll have to see about those. They are so creamy though. Like, it's almost like applying a cream product. That's pretty incredible. So that is what those look like. Definitely really pretty shades. I'm going to get used out of that. I think that's pretty cool. And it says on the little thing here that the MSRP for that is about $34. That seems about right for Pure Cosmetics. Maybe a tiny bit high. I'd probably like to pay more, around $20 for something like this, because there are only 3 pans in there. They are pretty big pans, so $34 isn't a bad price for that. But it's still a high quality product, and I'm still really excited to get it in my box. Okay, and the next thing I see in here is this IT Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil. I've actually been needing new brow products, so this is really awesome to get. So it's just a little micro brow pencil type thing on the one side, and then a spoolie on the other. Testing that out, it does feel a little bit hard, like it's going to scrape at my eyebrow area while I try to get it on my eyebrow. So maybe if I warmed it up a little bit, it would be a little bit smoother, but it does feel a little bit hard, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out for me. It says the MSRP of this is about $24. That is accurate for IT Cosmetics. IT Cosmetics is a more high-end brand. And the last thing I'm seeing here is this Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. And this is in the shade Posh. So this is what the packaging looks like. And that color is really pretty as well. It's just a nice dark mauve-y nude sort of shade. Like almost the 90s brown sort of lip color, which I really, really enjoy. So I'm definitely excited to try that out and see how it wears. I think I definitely got a really good value out of the box this month. I got an eyeshadow palette, a blush highlighter sort of palette, a primer, a matte lipstick, and a brow pencil. All very pigmented, very nice products, and definitely good price points for every one of these. So looking at the price points for each of these products, it comes out to a total of around $130, $140. So this is what I was talking about when I was talking about that Beautylish Lucky Bag, is Boxycharm gives me that value every single time. And it's a $20 box. I would much rather be able to spend my money on Boxycharm than a Lucky Bag, which is $75. So if you haven't seen that video, jump on over, go check it out. But I love this month's Boxycharm. I think we got some really great stuff, and I'm super excited to use all these products. So that's pretty much it for the video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button so I know to keep doing videos like this. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to go enter my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, which will be linked in the description box down below. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!